A perfect, versatile sander that will save you and your arms hours of sanding time. The Grizzly G8 749 Drum and Flap Sander naturally follows curves with more finesse than a hard drum, making it perfect for complex shapes and delicate profiles. On one side of the sander is a 10.5-inch diameter by 7.75-inch long flap sander with 12 abrasive flaps. Each flap is backed by a flexible bristle brush that tackles every curve, contour, and irregular surface with ease. And on the other side, you can choose between the included 4.75-inch diameter or a 3.25-inch diameter inflatable sanding drum which conforms to curves instead of flattening them. Powered by a dependable 1-horsepower motor, the G8 749 delivers consistent performance, helping you move confidently from shaping to finishing with professional quality results. Additionally, Grizzly.com has you covered with all the grit sizes you could need for both the drum and flap sander. Work faster and achieve better finishes with the Grizzly G8 749 Drum and Flap Sander. Made for makers, built by Grizzly. Visit Grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.